Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskar to all. Let's look at how September 2020 will be for Vrishchika Rashi or Scorpio natives. Firstly, let's look at the planetary positions. Retrograde Jupiter and Ketu are in the second. Retrograde Saturn is in the third. Mars in the sixth. Rahu in the eighth. And Venus in ninth. And finally, Sun and Mercury will be in the 10th house. So this month you will have a lot of positive planets. So this is a very good time for you. This month can bring in more opportunities. You will be able to get a lot of opportunities. Your confidence and energy levels are going to be high in almost all the spheres of your life. That means your work will improve. If you're doing any business, a lot of stuck things are there, then that also can come up. Your health is going to be much better this month, so continue with this good confidence or good time that you are going through. Put in your best efforts and make the most out of this month. So let's look at health now. There could be mental worry, there could be some issue in your reproductive organs. Digestive trouble may happen because of taking untimely food, so watch out your food intake. You need not worry much because many planets are in benefic positions, so they will help you to recover very well. That means Sun, Mars and Ketu will help you to recover from these issues, okay, with all the health troubles that I talk. In terms of career or business, if I have to talk about, for working people, it's definitely a very good month. If you are expecting some change in position or some promotion or something, you can expect that to happen this month. And if you are also looking for a new job, you may find it. Somebody is out of a job and still looking for a job, they can also find a new job. Your confidence level is going to be definitely high. You will be able to win. If you are competing in some things, you will be able to even win in a competition. Okay, businessmen, they will see a lot of new opportunities coming their way. However, you need to be a little careful on choosing them. Pay attention to the facts that are there, and based on that you decide. Some sudden change, okay, is indicated. So you can stay positive and proceed with lot of positive energy. Your stuck projects will progress well in this month. Now moving to students, it's a good time for students. Specifically, if they are participating in any competitive exams, they can definitely come out in flying colors. Now coming to wealth or gain, you can expect that your gains will be higher this month. It shows above average gains, and for some, there could be some sudden gain also which could be seen. If there is any stuck money, that can return in this month. Now if you are planning for any long-term investments, I think this will be a very good time for you to plan for those long-term investments and start those investments. So overall, if I have to talk about wealth or gain, it's going to be much better this month. Coming to the family front, atmosphere in the family will be very positive. You will get support from your spouse, from your children, and equally from your elders. Okay, only thing is you have to be a little bit careful because Ketu is in your second, so you have to watch your speech. Sometimes you may get negative sometimes, so be very careful about that. Otherwise, rest is very good for you in terms of family front. Now do some remedies which can really help you in the long run. Pray to Lord Ganesha and Goddess Durga for removing obstacles as well as for giving you prosperity. Fasting on a Tuesday will definitely be very beneficial for you. You can pray to Lord Subramanya or Kartikeya every Tuesday or every day based on your convenience. That also will help you in bringing that positivity and helping you in crossing those hurdles easily. If you are looking to donate something, then you can donate coconut, you can donate horse gram or books to students on a Saturday. So you perform these remedies and have a great month. So I wish you all the best. Namaskar.